Hey everyone, welcome to the Product Pulse. Hey, look, this is a really special edition today. It marks our 25th episode of the Product Pulse. And in celebration of that milestone, I'm not going to do a Hunger Games quarter quell edition. We're not going to bring any victors into the arena, but instead I'd like to take a little bit longer than normal and share some news that I'm really stoked about. Look, coming in February, just a few short weeks away, we're going to unveil our new and improved version of RolloveoverAnalyzer and our compliance dashboard. And here are a few key highlights that you'll see as a result of our commitment to driving simple, intuitive, compliant rollover activity for our clients. Okay. On the rollover side, I'm going to focus on 5 main features that we have invested in. First, a modernized user experience with incredibly powerful configurability that allows us to provide either a single page or a tabbed experience, multiple ways to embed help text, and make sure that we've got clear instructions for the users, easily include your firm-specific content, and conditional business rules that drive the dynamic showing and hiding as the user is completing the rationale. So all of this is going to help lead to a drastically improved and even more intuitive experience than we saw before that really is going to reflect how you need to conduct your business. Okay. Second thing, the ability to balance the simple or the complex rollovers, right? We already know Rollover Analyzer is super intuitive on that one-for-one, assets coming in, assets going out. Now what we're doing is supporting those more complex events, such as a consolidation, maybe of multiple qualified assets from multiple sources, rolling into one IRA at your firm, or vice versa, right? And all this is done with this within the single user experience, reducing duplicative activity, reducing multiple disclosures going to your end customers, and just improving the overall experience. Okay. Third, our rollover score, our composite rollover score. So taking all the content from the user experience, tying it to a scoring algorithm that provides you with clarity on how the rollover may or may not be in the client's best interest. Okay. 4, our client-facing disclosure. Look, we invested a bunch of time and energy in the user experience for the advisor, doing the same thing in the disclosure document that is going to our customer. Okay. Massive upgrade to allow you guys to put your style sheet, your custom style sheet components into the document, as well as those same dynamic show and hide capabilities within the content. So really allowing you to have that single standard reliable template that's responsive to every scenario. Okay. And 5, last but not least, just improving the data integration layer. We've already had strength there. We took it to the next level and making sure that all of your configured data that's available to you, whether it's in our native reporting system or in our standard output files that can be used to provide tighter integrations to any other application within your ecosystem. Okay, so that's Rollover Analyzer. Now, speaking of the data, that leads me to the dashboard side, right? We already have a strong supervisory hold on the data, so we can serve up those actionable insights for you in the current version of the dashboard. Now we're taking some steps to make things a little bit easier for us and for you, right? So first, taking the dashboard and making it part of our core reporting system instead of leveraging a third-party application to serve this information up to you. Super helpful for us from an onboarding perspective and for you as well. 2, all the content is now being positioned on a single page with accordion style expand and collapse, just making it easier for navigation. 3, speaking of navigation, the drill down from any graphic will instantly link you to the ComplianceExpress record where you have access to the data as well as the document. Again, kind of making it easier for you to do that, that regulatory archaeology that you need to do. Okay. 4, just took some steps to establish some common predefined date filters. So you don't have to worry about typing in before and after or a date range. Just give me last week, last month to date, common date ranges that'll just make things a little bit easier for you guys. And 5, the last thing we've added here is some insights around the rollover volumes and projected amounts, which I think will really help you guys see just how much the usage of Rollover Analyzer, managing a compliant and simple rollover process, is helping you grow your assets under management. Okay. That's it for me. And look, if you're as excited as I am, or even just a little bit intrigued and want to learn more, please reach out to our sales team and we'd love to share more with you.